This is the problem on eigenvectors and eigenvalues. The problem is determine the eigenvector and the eigenvalues for the stepped bar as shown in figure. E equal to 30 into 10 power 6 psi and specific weight is 0.283 lb per inch cube. This is the figure given in this problem. Here there is a two elements and there is a three normal numbers 1 2 3. Okay, at node 1, node 2, node 3 having the displacements of q1, q2, q3 respectively. Area of the first element is 1 inch square and second element is 0.5 inch square. Here the length of each element is given in 10 inch and 5 inch respectively. Okay, then we convert this all the units into the meters. Okay, here Young's modulus is given in this problem is in psi, pounds per square inch. So 1 psi equal to 6.94 kPa. To convert this total value of Young's modulus into the Newton per meter square is 206.84 into 10 power 9 Newton per meter square. This is the specific weight, means rho equal to 0.283 pounds per lb per inch cube, that is converted into kg per meter cube. Here area and length also converted into SI units. Then the stiffness matrix for the bar element formula is K equal to AE by L 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. Okay, here the values of area and Young's modulus and length is given in this problem. Substitute that values and you will get the matrix like this. Okay, here the first element having the nodal numbers 1 and 2, so you have to indicate the nodal number top 1 and 2 and right side also 1 and 2. Okay, to convert this matrix into homogeneous matrix, first of all you write the 10 power 8 as it is and open the bracket. First of all you have to mention the nodal numbers at top 1 to 3 and right side 1 to 3. Okay, then here there is no nodal number 3, so you keep third row and third column as 0 and remaining matrix filled with this matrix. Okay, then similarly k2 matrix area of the second element, length of the second element and Young's modulus of second element is given in this problem. So substitute that values, you will get this matrix. Here second element having the nodal numbers of 2 and 3. Okay, 2 and 3, so you have to indicate the 2 and 3 at top, on the top side of the matrix and right side of the matrix. Then to convert this homogeneous matrix, similarly first of all keep 10 power 8 common. Okay, then open the bracket, then you have to mention the nodal numbers at top and right side of the matrix. Remain here there is no first node, so you keep first row and first column as 0. The remaining matrix is replaced with this matrix. Okay, after finding out the k1 and k2 matrix for each element in global stiffness matrix, you have to find out the global stiffness matrix. Global stiffness matrix means combine the or assemble the individual matrix of the each element. Okay, here k equal k1 plus k2. Here only two elements are there in this problem, so you have to keep k1 plus k2. So k1 matrix is this. This is a k2 matrix. Here is both places having the 10 power 8 as common. So here first one you have to add 5.2 plus 0 means 5.2, minus 5.2 plus 0 means minus 5.2, 0 plus 0 means 0, minus 5.2 plus 0 means minus 5.2. Add these two matrix, you will get this matrix. Okay, here 1 2 3 1 2 3 are the nodal numbers. Okay, then this is the mass matrix. After calculating the global stiffness matrix, you have to find out the mass matrix. Here mass matrices are two types of mass matrix formulas are there. This is the consistent mass matrix and another one is lumped mass matrix. Max of problems are using the consistent mass matrix. That's why I have solved by using the consistent mass matrix. Here rho means specific weight is given in the problem, area is given in the problem, L is given in the problem. L means length of the element. Okay, here substitute all the values in this formula, you will get this matrix. This is the M1 for the first element, mass matrix for the first element. First element having the nodal numbers 1 and 2. So you have to keep 1 and 2 at top and right side. of the matrices. Then convert this matrix into homogeneous. First of all, open the bracket and keep 1 2 3 1 2 3 and top and right side of the matrix. Then here there is no third node, or first element having 1 and 2 nodes only. There is no third node, so you keep third column, third row as zeros, and remaining matrix places replaced with this matrix. Similarly, M2 matrix, substitute the second element values of density, second element values of specific weight, next area and length. You will get the matrix like this. Okay, to convert this matrix, homogeneous matrix will become this format. Okay, this is the homogeneous mass matrix for the second element. After calculating the mass matrix for the individual or each element, you have to add the or assemble these two mass matrices. This is the global mass matrix, m equal to m1 plus m2. This is the m1 matrix, this is the m2 matrix. Add these two matrices, you will get this mass matrix. Okay, here the formula for solving this equation is kq minus lambda mq equal to 0. Here q is present both sides, so take as common. Okay, kq minus lambda m, k minus lambda m of q equal to 0. K keep outside, 0 by anything is 0, so mod k minus lambda m equal to 0. In this formula, k matrix is given, global stiffness matrix, lambda value keep lambda, m matrix is already given, so I already find out that matrix is filled. This is a 0. After that, multiply this lambda with the entire matrix, you will get the 0.42 lambda, 0.21 lambda, 0. Okay, after multiplying the lambda with this matrix, you will get this matrix. Then subtract this value from this matrix, or subtract this matrix from this matrix. 5.2 into 10 power 8 minus 0.42 lambda. Similarly, minus 5.2 into 10 power 8 minus 0.21 lambda. Similarly, 0 minus 0. Okay, like after subtracting the each matrix from each other, you will get the matrix like this. Okay, here at node 1, after subtracting the each matrix, you will get this matrix. Okay, at node 1 there is a support, so eliminate first row and first column. Okay, the remaining matrix is this thing only. This is the remaining matrix. Okay, this remaining matrix, this is a debt matrix. To find here, q1 is 0. Okay, because of supports at the supports there is no displacement, so you consider the displacement at node 1, q1 equals 0. Then this is the debt matrix 2 by 2. Solve the debt matrix. This into this minus this into this. For example, this is ABCD form, debt of ABCD. What is the formula? AD minus CB. Okay, this is the formula. By using this formula, solve this equation, you will get this format. Okay, after multiplying this two, you will get this equation. Then similarly, you add all the lambda square values and lambda values and constant values, you will get the equation like this. After finding out this equation, you will solve by using the calculator. You get the value of lambda 1 and lambda 2. Okay, this is the lambda 1 lambda 2. To find out the frequency, the formula is root of lambda by 2 pi. Okay, here in F, to find out the frequency 1, the lambda is replaced with the lambda 1 value, then you will get the 6656.02 Hz. Similarly, frequency of element number 2, you will get 1740 Hz. These are up to now eigen values are completed. To find out the eigen vectors, here the matrix, what is the matrix remaining left after removing the first row and first column, that is the matrix, and this is the displacements to corresponding to the nodal numbers q2 and q3 equal to 0. Okay, From this equation you solve this two, multiply these two matrices, you will get the equation. Means this thing into q2, this thing into q3, you will get this equation. After by using this equation you will get the q3 value. Q3 value is minus 0.161 q2. This is a q3 equation. From the normalization, q transferred mq equal to 1. Q transport means this is a q1, q3, q1. Transport means vertical row is converted into horizontal matrix. Okay, column is converted into row. So q2, the q3 place, in the q3 place you have to write the equation, this equation. Okay, g minus 0.161. This is the m matrix. Okay, this is the m matrix. M matrix, second row and third column. Third row. Okay, second row, second column, third row, third column, you have to write 2 by 2. Next, similarly q means q2 minus 0.16 q2 equal to 1. Here there is a q2, take q2 common. Similarly here also q2 common. Okay, q2 into q2 means q2 square. Here q2 common, taken common, then remaining value is 1. Similarly minus 0.161. Similarly here also 1 minus 0.16. Okay, then after that you multiply these two matrices, you will get this matrix. Then after finding out this matrix, you will multiply these two matrix, you will get the 1.339 equal to 1. This is the q2 of 1.339 into 1. To find out the q2 square value, this 1.339 is becomes divided by this 1. Okay, 1 by 1.339 means 0.749. q2 square value is 0.749. To find out the q2 value, square is transferred to right hand side, it will become 1 power 1 by 2 or root. Okay, root of 0.746 means 0.863. Okay, this is the q2 value, but we know that q3 is minus 0.161 q2. Okay, similarly here q equal to 1.061 into 0.86. Here q3 is q2 is 0.86 multiplied with 0.16, you will get the q3 value of minus 0.139 meter. This is a problem on eigenvalues and eigenvectors. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel, share and like this video. Okay, if any doubts or any problem with solving this any issues faced to solve this problem, please post in comment box. Okay, please react with this video. Thank you for watching.